Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I am gonna show how to make realistic asphalt texture with Element 3D. Let's get started. So first step, let's create new solid, add name, Element 3D, and click OK. Then go to Effects, Video Copied, and Element. Open Scene Setup and let's create new plan. Okay, change scale like this and open plan model, select default and diffuse. Let's add textures, load texture and select first texture, import and click OK. Let's change scale. Okay, like this. And normal bump. Let's load normal texture like this. Okay, let's see. And reflective, again load texture, select this, okay, and gloss like this, and illumination, select this. So nice. Let's select glossiness, open and click invert and OK. Nice. Then click environment, again load texture and select this neon city and import, click OK. Nice. We can see environment in this background, click here. Okay, nice. So in this time, select this plan mode, Ctrl D, move to left. Okay, and select these two plans, Ctrl D for duplicate, move to right. Like this. And click OK. Right mouse, new and new camera. Click OK. We can use camera shortcut with C in the keyboard like this. Okay. Let's zoom it. Okay, nice. Then select camera, right mouse and camera and let's create orbit null. Press R and we can change camera like this. Press P, make new position keyframe. Go to 7 seconds and change like this. Move to position to left. Let's see. Okay. And select camera. Open camera options. Let's change quality to quarter. And let's enable depth of field. Click here for on. Okay. Let's change focus distance, change aperture 10 and change focus distance. Hold shift and speedily change. Okay, let's change again aperture 2 Okay. Change aperture 1. Okay, let's see. So not bad. Select elements 3D solid, go to render settings and open physical environment, open rotation environment, and let's make animation, make keyframes, go to 7 second and change 10. Let's see. Okay, not bad. We can change 20. Okay, nice. Not bad. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.